Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to draw a house, and it's a very simple house which you can follow very quickly and easily with me. If you want a full tutorial on this, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is given in the description. So as you can see, I'm using a marker. I'm drawing directly with a marker, but if you want, you can draw with pencil, and later on you can outline with a black sketch pen or a marker. So here I'm going to use sketch pens, and I'm going to use lots and lots of colors because I love coloring. So as you can see, I have drawn a house, and with that there is a grass, there is a chimney, and it's a very simple thing. Anyone can draw from 3 years to 6 years. As you can see, I'm using dark green color for grass, and now I'm using a light green color for the grass as I want to do the shading a little bit, and it's super easy for kids. Anyone can do it. So purple color, it's give a very nice and bright look to your house. You can use any other color if you want, and I know there's lots of disturbance. And now I'm using a light pink color for the wall of my house, as it's a girly house and I like these kind of colors. So right now I'm using a light blue color. As you can see, I'm just coloring with sketch pen. You can do with crayons or pencil color also if you want. That's all up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. So if you want, you can draw with me, color with me, just keep it in a handy with you, all the things. So now I'm giving the impression of brick with the sketch pen. All I have to do is just draw some horizontal lines, and then I'm drawing number 1 between the lines, so it will give you the impression of brick. If you want, you can skip this step, but it's give you a very nice and real look to the house. This video is suitable for the people from kids from 3 years to like 15 years, or maybe some of those who doesn't know how to draw. So if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification on whenever I upload the video. And if you want to learn this from me, you can always DM me on my Instagram. Just follow me on my Instagram ID. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like the video and press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more such fun loving and easy videos with sketch pen, crayons and all that. And this is very super duper easy. It doesn't involve anything complicated. So now my full house is ready, and I think it looks super duper beautiful. I really want to know what do you feel about this. So if you want, you can leave a comment.